KKJ ಚಾನಲ್ सर्वांके नमस्कार. आता मी 60 व्हिडिओज चढ GSP खानाचे घालेन असं ते सगळं तुम्ही व्ह्यू करून सपोर्ट करचाक आमक छान खुशी आणि के आजा चढ सपोर्ट करता म्हणून विनंती करताय. आता मी इंग्लिश नंतर कोंकणीतूय घालू आरांबिलेंस तेव्हा तुम्ही सपोर्ट करता. व्हिडिओज लाईक कराय, शेअर कराय आणि बेल आयकन प्रेस करून सबस्क्राइब कराय. Chinchamba Kovollu. In bygone days during monsoon season, veggies were scarce, and so the women folk used to make curries with whatever dry ingredients they had in their pantry. Most often, tamarind and dry chilies would be the only ones in stock. The poor people too used to make this Chinchamba Kovollu as the only curry for their page. These humble ingredients though would make a very tasty dish to eat with page. Take this orange-sized ball of tamarind. Add some warm water and mash the tamarind well to extract the pulp. Leave it to soak for some more time. Here are some shallots. This is optional, but do add these as they make it more flavorful bites. You can also add fine chopped green chilies, but the original taste is given by the red chilies, which are roasted on hot embers. You may also roast on a gas flame. Here I am stringing the chilies onto a skewer. When we have added sufficient numbers, I am placing them on the hot embers of a wood fire stove, just keeping for a few seconds. They are well roasted now. Remove from the skewer and crush the crisp chilies to as fine powder as you can. Now add the chopped shallots and salt. Crush them together so that they are well mixed. Now strain the tamarind pulp. And add the thick juice to the chili shallot mixture. Mix well again. Now add a tablespoon or more of raw coconut oil to the mixture. Mix so that all is well blended. Now enjoy this mouth-watering, tangy and spicy dish with veg. A papad or two is all that you may need along with this.